Okay, we have images in our page and in our header, but now I want to talk about inserting an image widget into our sidebar. So if we go in and view our page, we have our slideshow working at the top that came with the widget. It is not a standard WordPress thingy. We have a header image, which we'll go into further soon. But we put an image up here, image on the left, talked about images. But if we go to one of our other pages, I like using image widgets because we can put them over here with categories, recent posts, pages, all that kind of stuff. And the beauty of having an image widget is that once you put this image widget in, it shows up on all of your pages. So if you have 1,000 pages, you can come in and change this one image in the image widget with links that go somewhere. You do it one time in the widget, and it happens universally wherever you have used this widget in your site. I find it very handy. And to get it done, all you do is you just go into your dashboard, and I'm going to go back home to the dashboard, go to Appearance, Widgets, and my image widget is right here. Image widget. Now, you most likely don't have image widget by default, and the image widget is actually a plug-in. And it's called Image Widget, and you just download it. And here's the installation instructions right here. You treat it like a plugin. You go to the install it, go to the plugin page, activate it, and then go Appearance Widget and stick it in your sidebar. I mean, that's how simple it is. So I've got my new image widget, and what I'm going to do, all I have to do is click Select Image and stick something in there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick two, well, I'll just leave it at one. I'm going to go into Photoshop, go to this image, and I just want to share with you how versatile the image widget is. I'm going to crop this image here. And I really only want it to be about 300 pixels wide. So I'm going to go Edit Free Transform over here. Oh, it doesn't like what I'm doing. Why not? Why not? Let's go into the Layers panel. We're having some technical difficulties. Unlock that layer and go Edit Free Transform. And we're just going to scale this down a bit by holding the Shift key down to scale. And I'm going to make it about 300 pixels wide. And then I'm going to crop the image like so that that's all we've got. Ding! Oop, a little more crop going over here. Didn't get it all the way. Ding! Okay, so now I'm going to go File, Save for Web. And I want it to be a little less wide. So there you go, 300 pixels wide. Save. Here we go, and I'm going to call this Sundown 1. Okay, so Sundown 1 is ready to rumble. Let's go back over here, and I'll go to Image Widget, select an image, update files, select file, go into the folder where I just saved my image, and here we go, Sundown 1. And give it an alt tag so people can find this. Sundown is good. Not good for SEO, but we'll go with it. Okay, now notice here they want alternate text. Sundown is good as a title. I think I might hide that because I think it's going to show up, and I hate when that happens. Link. This is the good part. I'm going to make it go to http://google.com or wherever I want it to go in my site. I'm going to open Google in a new window when I click it. And notice the option, I can go full size, medium, large. I like to resize my stuff in Photoshop because who knows what thumbnail, medium, large, or custom means. Custom, they probably give you a width and height. I'm going to align this center. I'll always do that. And I'll click Save. And now, if I go in and view the site, and I'll have to actually go to the page where this thing lives. Well, there you go. There is my Sundown is good. That title thing, I really don't like that title showing up. And in this case, now I'm going to click it, and this should open a new window and actually take us to Google. Sure, it works, is our widget. Now, what I like about the widget is that I could have made this a square image, like this one right here, or you can make it a long image. It gives you a lot of room for advertising, but that's the image widget. And what I really like about it, again, is if I use this widget on 1,000 pages, I can put it in here one time, and it's going to show up on all 1,000 pages, which is very handy with the link intact.